Invoice number V7802. Today is March 8th, 2023. We are video inspecting the basement fireplace. Seal tight top mount damper has been removed. There were gas logs installed. We cannot confirm if these are sized properly for this large 13 by 18 flue and this large firebox. Customer was having pilot light issues, and that was due to the seal tight damper being closed. After the video, we will be determining what will be the best course of action to resolve the issues within the flue, but also be installing a damper stop and then reinstalling the original damper. Height will be given at the end of this video inspection. And we are proceeding down with scan now. You can see there is flagstone. There are some gaps in between the flagstone joints. And here we go. Do have some third stage creosote present so far. See that black shiny stuff. More creosote is present. More creosote. An open mortar joint. There. There also is a crack starting to form right next to that open mortar joint. It's a little difficult to see, but there is a crack that is starting to appear. Focus on it a little bit better. There it is. So there is a break in the flue. Eventually, throughout the course of time, that will start to travel upward and also will open up on you as well, expanding, contrasting. The light is still present. More third stage creosote. Start to enter an offset. It's right here. That's where your offset is. Another open mortar joint at the just past the offset. I believe we have a total of 2 offsets present within this flue. One just before the smoke chamber, and then there's another one shortly after the smoke chamber. More third stage creosote present inside the smoke chamber as well. There is a gap on the right hand side where the flue tile and the smoke chamber physically meet. Further recommendations are to follow, and defects have been observed. We are approximately 5, 10, 15. We are just about 23 feet tall in height, and that concludes the video inspection for the basement fireplace.